Exciting news for tech enthusiasts. Infinix is about to drop a game-changer in the Indian smartphone market. On September 18th, Infinix will launch the Zero 45G, promising cutting-edge features like a 108MP camera and a stunning 3D curved display. Here's everything you need to know. In a crowded market of smartphones, finding a device that offers high-end performance without breaking the bank can be challenging. Users want top-notch cameras, sleek designs, and advanced features, but often at a premium price. The Zero 45G aims to address these issues with a blend of impressive specifications and affordability. The Infinix Zero 45G features a 108MP primary camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, for crystal-clear photos. Its 6.74-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display provides vibrant visuals, while the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor ensures smooth performance. The device also boasts a slim profile at just 7.9mm thick, with a battery that supports 45W wired and 20W wireless charging. These features are complemented by AI enhancements like AI Eraser and generative AI wallpaper, designed to elevate the user experience. What sets the Zero 45G apart is its premium features at a competitive price. Priced around 33,500 Indian rupees in India, it offers high-end specifications typically found in more expensive models. This makes it an attractive option for those seeking advanced technology without the hefty price tag. Infinix's Zero 45G is shaping up to be a major contender in the smartphone market, combining cutting-edge technology with affordability. Don't miss the official launch on September 18th. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this preview, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech updates and reviews. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content.